location for a small shoot that we're planning for our website. Yeah. And so we're gonna go scout a location. I've been there before and I like it, but I just want to go deeper into it, further into the trail.
Yeah, so Jane had done her family shoot near the same location and she really loved it, and we're needing some pictures for the website, so technically this is like our campaign shoot, so I guess.
Our low budget campaign shoot.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause
You have to flip it, flip it, flip.
Not so pro.
No, not really. You need to watch a few more mukbang. Do it again. Yeah. And then one flirt, one flirt. That didn't move.
feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
Oh my God, you're so good. Hold on. Hold on. You sit there. Sit down. You hit me. Jeez, can you be our forever model? Hold on, hold on. Gosh, I wish we were outside. Are we?
Oh, we need a hair dryer for them. Oh my god. This is real life, y'all. Me. Okay.
Then I'll hold this.
Yeah, you
I'm
search your hair now. Can you use the umbrella while you're shooting?
I'll just put this down.
Am I? Here.
This is
Oh, at least it's not as windy in here.
careful. I don't want you to be it's on funny now. Put it down. Down? Like this? And then just like do this.
Okay, here. Let's just not have the umbrella.
Other way. And then turn around.
Turn around.
Turn that way. And then look back at me. Smile. And then play with your hair a little bit. Other way. Actually turn over your right shoulder. And then do this. Look at me, eyes up at me. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh yeah. Turn that way. Turn to the right. Look over. Turn that way and then look. Let's go.
I'll hold it for you. Yeah, put on your jacket. Yay! We are done with our 5-minute shoot in the rain.
It was so fun.
She was such a trooper. She just like,
So great.
yeah, she was ready to
Very
pounce in the
memorable.
mud.
I'm ready to take my shoes off.
She was like, oh, no risking breaking anyone's back.
You're a professional.
Yeah, our professional model today. Yay!
You are forever hired. Sleepy mom pose. I did do that. You have like
But yeah, she has like a dancer vibe. Like very smooth movements.
and then the way you put your toe.
Selection time.
Oh, turn off the light.